basically, I'm putting the giant long tip on here and trying to line this up so that when you have it like this, you can push down. That this thing is pointing down is a pain in the ass, because like I put Teflon in here and basically had to bend the shit out of it. So note to self, I'm assuming that you wouldn't really be changing this like every freaking day, because, well, what was the point? If you have a long one, why do you need a short one? Right? Makes sense, because if you need a short one, you could always just use this much of it. So anyway, that's in a tight space, but I'm thinking I might go buy another one for $4 or whatever it is. I don't know how many bucks it is, but it would make more sense to buy 2 of these stupid things. Let me lift the camera up here so you can see what the hell I'm doing. It would make more sense to go buy 2 of these things, because basically the pain in the ass of putting this thing together doesn't seem like it's worth the hassle for me to take this thing apart every goddamn time. You know what I mean? Like, you really want to take this off every time you want a short one, so I'm thinking I'm going to buy another one. Save the pain in the buttocks. Figures. So I'm putting the long one on here. Next time I have money to go Harbor Freight, I'm going to buy another one. And why am I putting this on here for? Because you can see this. It's easy to hold it. Is it just me? Maybe I'm just crazy, but am I crazy? Or do these goddamn things never stay on the right one? Like, they're not like a wrench. So anyway, I think it's lined up perfectly. It's lined up pretty well. Now you can see where it's like right over. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Psst. Try it out, and I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah, I just don't really see the point of. I don't know. Like, do I really want to unscrew this to put a rubber nipple on there? I don't know. Makes no sense. Where did a piece go? I think that was it. Doesn't make sense. Weird. Very weird. Like, why the hell would you? Why would you? So I'll buy another one. I used a little bit of Teflon. The Teflon basically gave it enough squishiness in there just to give it a yeah, and just to line it up straight. So yeah, big giant fancy video. But overall, I mean, it's a Harbor Freight thing, and it's not bad. So still, it's kind of straight, kind of cheap, but you know what, works. Max 150 psi. I have to get a new line dryer because mine blew. Basically, I think I forgot to take the water out of it this winter, and it just blew it apart. So don't forget, dry off your compressors. Thanks for watching. Toodles.